So what is going to make SDN succeed in the market, I think, is when it stops being about software defining your network and thinks about business defining your network. If you look at what businesses are looking for today, they need an IT infrastructure down in the network layer that needs to be more agile, it needs to be easier to use, consume less IT resource, and be intelligent, be able to make smart decisions on its own as network loads change. If you look at the way that some people have approached the SDN market, what they've done is taken the old complex systems that they had and put on top of it a nice looking control plane. So they've just like synthesized a bunch of components. And you know, when you synthesize and bring things together, you just end up with many things that complicate things. And the other approach that some people are doing is a similar thing, overlaying a whole new fresh network on top of an underlying layer 2, layer 3 network that still stays complex. So I think when SDN is going to succeed is when it brings in things like the way that we've approached it with NetScaler, for example. We're letting the application intelligence drive the way that the network's formed, the way the paths are formed. We've taken the control from the NetScaler and moved it up into the controller. So you control everything from the controller. It's not an overlay, it's not a synthesis of complex parts. It's a whole fresh way of doing things. And I think you'll see announcements coming soon of some of the customers that have done that with us, and you'll see that simplification, that agility, those cost savings are there, and that's what's going to make software-defined networks succeed.